Tess.
And welcome back to the Mía and Tess
Toy
Show. So today we are going to be reviewing so many things.
So we have Play-Doh,
Markers
and sand.
So the sand
And mold.
Yes. The sands come with 3 different colors. There's blue, purple, and green. We haven't seen them yet. And these
ever opened them?
Yeah, we haven't opened them. None of these these are smelly, scented. We haven't smelled them either.
Yeah,
and
these are the same. These are the same, and some of these are the same.
Yes, 2 of them are the same, so we can smell them at the same time. So these are the Play-Dohs. We haven't felt them yet as well. And these are some fun molds that we can mold the Play-Dohs.
They're just a little bit small molds.
So for today, what we're going to be reviewing are the markers.
Yeah.
So how we're going to be doing it is that we're going to take turns choosing the marker. Then we both get the marker. Like if we choose black, we both get the marker and we smell it at the same time. And we'll also try to guess what it smells, what's the scent. So let's get started.
So which one you're going to choose?
Oh, me first?
Yeah.
All right. So I'll go with this blue one.
I'm going to get the same one.
Okay, let's smell it. 1,
2,
3.
Mm.
Whoa. It actually smells like... Ooh, it smells like a sweet, sweet blueberry, but like a very sweet one.
Yeah. It's so ridiculous.
Like really sweet.
Smell.
So that's what this one smells like. I think it is a sweet, sweet blueberry. It's really yummy.
Yeah, it really is this one.
Yes.
It says marker water change.
Yes. It's watercolor markers. So next marker we'll be smelling. Which one are you going to choose, Tess?
Pink.
All right, let's do the pink. 1, 2, 3. I can already smell it from 1. This
Watermelon.
smells like watermelon. Yeah, that's like a very sweet, sweetest watermelon you can ever taste. Now that's a yum yum.
Is this one? Oh.
It's really yummy and it's also a really nice color. How about we test out how they are?
This one? I think. Let's put them here.
So
Put them here.
we have a notebook here
And
we're gonna see how they smell. So you can test out the pink one, I'll test out the blue one. So there you guys will be able to see. So I'm gonna write my name. You can do whatever you want. Let's take a look. Whoa, this is a really nice color.
I'm going to draw my name. The pink. There. There. Another line. 1, another, and another L. There.
Oh, so we both wrote our names.
Yeah.
And these are how they both look like. This is the blue one and this is the pink one. And the pink one smelled like a very sweet, sweet watermelon. And the blue one smelled like a very sweet, sweet blueberry. So let's put them. All right, so it's my turn to choose. I will want to see how the brown one smells like. So this is how this brown one is. 1, 2, 3. You smelled it. Chocolate! Yummy! This smells like a very sweet, sweet chocolate. I don't know why I think everything's really sweet, but I mean, it's because it's like the smell. I want to see how this one, well, let's do it right now. We'll do it. So let's put it away.
I'm gonna choose red.
All right, so let's smell the red one.
Yeah.
What's this? It's definitely not a strawberry, but it smells really good.
Yeah.
It doesn't smell like strawberry, but cherry. It smells like cherry.
Yeah.
And also a little watermelon.
It smells good.
It smells good, like a very sweet, sweet cherry.